I'm Dominic Gullick, and together with Volvo Penta expert Hannah Ljungqvist, we're going to put the company's products through their paces in a series of performance challenges.
Oh, that was so close!
We will seek the answer to the question, what's in it for you as a boat owner? This is the Volvo Penta Boating Challenge.
When Volvo Penta launched their joystick with the IPS system some 10 years ago, it was a unique innovation, a propulsion system controlled by a joystick. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Dominic.
Are you feeling up for this today?
Absolutely. What do you have in store for me?
Let's find out.
In this challenge, I'll take an inboard boat with shaft installation and joystick and drive through a slalom course before docking. Hannah has a boat with an IPS driveline, and as she's a more experienced driver, she'll have a tougher challenge. She has to reverse into a tightly packed port before docking sideways between two boats. And she has to beat my time doing it.
Dominic, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, Hannah.
Go!
I can't believe how smooth this is. This is easy, like child's play.
And here comes the docking.
I've got a little surprise for Hannah. I am not going to lose this challenge.
Wow, he nails it. Dominic?
You made it in 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Undefeated champion. I rule.
Yeah, that was pretty okay.
But I'll beat you.
Yeah, that's what you think, Hannah.
Good luck, you're gonna need it. Okay, Hannah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Get set. Go.
Now I'll turn the boat around and drive backwards.
Now for my surprise.
What's that?
That's eggs. You've got to dock without breaking them. Now, Volvo Penta love to boast about the precision of their joystick. So I think this will be a perfect challenge, don't you?
Okay, I'll give it a try.
Impress me. Oh, a little more.
Oh, come on.
Oh, so close. That's it. It's all over.
Time's up.
Come on, give me another shot. I was so close.
One more try. Fresh eggs.
This is a quite tricky maneuver, I have to admit that.
If you succeed, pancakes are on me.
Almost there.
Little bit more. Getting closer. Oh! You definitely won't get closer than that.
Is that good enough for you?
That's good enough for me. You have got some mad docking skills.